Hello everyone, welcome back to DIYs with Sonia. Today I'm bringing you some high-end home decor DIYs that will save you thousands of dollars. That's right, no need to splurge on expensive designer pieces when you can create stunning high-end decor on a budget. The best part? I didn't buy anything new for these projects. Instead, I'm upcycling decor I already had and giving it a fresh new life. If you love budget-friendly home transformations, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. So let's jump into these easy and affordable high-end home decor hacks. I've been giving my master bedroom a little refresh and I wanted some new statement decor pieces. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars, I decided to upcycle an old sign I made years ago. You know, back when word signs were all the rage, I wasn't loving it anymore, so I went searching for an inspiration. I found a beautiful textured wall art piece on Wayfair for nearly 800 Canadian dollars plus tax, and I knew I could recreate it for a fraction of the price. For this project, I used an old frame sign, a drywall compound, a painting tool from my daycare craft supply, but you can also use a comb or any straight edge tool. I started by applying a generous amount of drywall compound to the surface, creating lots of organic texture. No need for perfection here, just play around until you love the look. Once the base texture was set, I used my painting tool to create linear patterns similar to the high-end piece. Once dry, I placed it on my dresser and I am obsessed with how high-end it looks. This was an $800 dupe for basically nothing, just some creativity and a bit of time. Next up, I tackled my lamps. Well, we all know the lamps can be pricey, and while originally I paid around $70 for these, I was no longer loving the mercury glass silver finish. Over time, they started to look a little tarnished, and I wanted to give them a chic, modern update. Instead of replacing them, I decided to refresh them with paint. So here's what I used. I used Rust-Oleum charcoal chalk paint, a paintbrush, and two coats for full coverage. I left the original lampshades even though they have some slight yellowing from age. Honestly, it's only visible from the inside, and I can always swap them out later. For now, I'm loving the sleek matte black finish on the bases. It adds a modern high-end touch to my decor with minimal effort and zero extra cost. The last DIY is all about transforming outdated candle holders. These used to be silver, but I wasn't loving the finish anymore either. Instead of getting rid of them, I decided to give them a realistic wood look. I used chalk paint a stippling brush, and any Sloan Dark antiquing wax. I applied 1 coat of chalk paint and used the stipple brush to create natural looking wood grain texture. Once it was fully dry, I deepened the look with dark wax, making sure to get in all the grooves for the authentic aged wood effect. If you want even a richer look, layer dark and even you can add white wax together, but I personally love how just the dark wax turned out. If the project you're working on and it has already wood grains, you could easily go in with a just a rag and spread the wax into it on it because it will just pick up the wood grain. I have shared just recently, it was an older video, but I shared it just this video before on how to achieve that wood look on the a piece of furniture. It's a great way to darken or change the color without actually using a wood stain. And if you have any empty spots where maybe the paint didn't take or you didn't apply as much paint, you can dab on the wax and just keep dabbing it until it almost blends in a little bit, and it'll give it that aged dark wood look as if it had different wood tones in it. These candle holders are now sitting on my dresser with some candles, and they look so high-end for a fraction of the price of a designer variation. And that's it. 3 stunning high-end DIY decor transformation that cost almost nothing, but made a huge impact in my home. Let me know in the comments which DIY was your favorite and if you'll be trying any of them out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss my weekly DIY videos. I post every Wednesday, and now I have added some videos on Saturdays. So Wednesdays feature brand new DIYs and Saturdays are a mix of new and old favorites. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.